Next up on the show, we'll be talking about the do's and don'ts of leaf collection with Rob Allen from Streets and Roads.
Well, summer is officially over, and it's time to start thinking leaf season again, and especially as we're into some colder weather and we're seeing a lot of leaf drop. Certainly different species drop earlier than others, but it is noticeable, and folks are starting to gather leaves, and the inevitable question is do I get pickup, or when do I get pickup? And just some basics. You can go to the city's website, Lexington, spelled out, ky.gov, go under the community tab, and you'll see an icon there that says Leaf Collection 2013. It gives you a matrix where you can plug in your street, which then gives you your zone and approximate start date for leaf collection. And what folks need to remember is these zones, that's a starting date, not a completion date. It's not a promise to get done by a certain point, and certainly we make a great effort to be on time and do timely pickup. But if you are concerned about leaves on your lawn, things like that, please avail yourself of the free leaf bag program offered by Waste Management, and certainly use your Lenny and other resources like that you can look at there on the city's website. Once again, is Lexington, ky.gov. Under the community tabs is specific for leaf collection, and you can look at the yard waste collection under the waste management page. The leaves should be raked between the sidewalk and the curb, or the edge of the road if you do not have a sidewalk. Not in the road. That becomes a hazard for traffic, for pedestrians. It sends it straight into the storm sewers, which is a big problem that we're trying to prevent, and you could be prosecuted or liable in the case of an accident. Some of the other do's and don'ts. This program does not collect the yard waste bags, so leave them unbagged. Make sure there are no large sticks or rocks or garbage contained in the leaves, and just kind of, we call it a windrow. You can leave them in a line, and the guys will come by and either blow or rake them out into the street. I know I'm contradicting myself, but for immediate pickup, and we'll take them away that day. And then we, last year we had the street sweeper follow the collection efforts, and it seemed like it did a really good job either collecting dust or mud up, and really made the streets look a lot nicer. It is 7 weeks of collection this year. It starts November 4th, and the projected ending date is December 20th. So last year we went a little bit into January, and we were fortunate, but we're not going to bank on not getting snow on top of the leaves or really bad inclement weather. So we want to get this done, and it looks like Mother Nature's going to cooperate with the amount of leaves that are coming down already. Waste Management gives out a certain amount of them free, and of course, your home improvement centers, even Kroger sells their own brand, and they're pretty cheap. And I know a lot of folks have a lot of leaves in some cases, which means a lot of bags. But that is a neat and easy way to get rid of them efficiently weekly versus the one pass that we do. We just closed leaf collection applications last Friday, and we'll be interviewing and training in October. There's a little bit of orientation. We do have to teach folks how to use this heavy equipment, and how to be safe out on the streets. And of course, Curtis is a representative of the urban county government, and it's a neat program. It gets a lot of people working. We'll be hiring about 35 temporary employees for this program. So it's lexingtonky.gov, and then you want to go to the community tab and look for Leaf Collection 2013, and Lexington is spelled out, so it's lexingtonky.gov. And also, a great clearinghouse for information is LexCall 425-2255.